Okay, so all this pink foam insulation is supposed to keep her from sinking completely. Let's fill her up with water and see what happens. Let's see if there's enough insulation in there to keep her from sinking completely. If she gets totally full of water, pretty much all the weight's in, and the idea is that if she was totally swamped, that this foam would keep the boat from disappearing below the waves. And lo and behold, I'd say that's a success. She's still floating freely back and forth. So fully full of water. There's enough flotation in this boat to keep it from disappearing. There it is, fully moving still. So with the bilge pump, hopefully, she'd stay that way. I'd say that's successful.